Hey everybody, it's Karen with Food and Family. I hope everybody's having a wonderful day. I just wanted to come on and show you real quickly. I just got back from the grocery store and I got some wonderful things that we're going to be doing videos with, and I wanted to share it with you. And it's going to be so good. I don't know where to start. I've got yeah, I know we like these King's Hawaiian savory. I like the butter rolls. We're going to be making something special with that. I'll tell you about that in a minute. Papa and I like these crackers. We like to just snack on these crackers. And we got the cheese with cheese inside. This one's I like. And Pop likes the ones with peanut butter. These are buy one, get one free. I have had a lot of that lately, and it's just wonderful when you can do it. And of course, I wanted some of these cookies, but they weren't on sale, but that's okay. And I needed some onions, and I like the white onions. So I got some of those, and yeah, I don't know where to begin. Let's begin. Let's go here. We needed cereal. Yes, me and Pop eat cereal a lot, and for breakfast in the mornings, and sometimes he'll eat for snack at night. And these were buy one get one free. He likes the Frosted Flakes, so we got 2 boxes of that. And I like the kids' cereal, so we got some Fruit Loops, and because that's what I like. And I'm going to move these over here out of my way. I have containers up here that I keep dry cereal in, and they seal up really well. And so I keep them in there. Okay, so on to what I'm so excited about. I got some strawberries. I got some kiwis. I got, get to the rest of my fruit. I got blueberries. I got purple grapes, red grapes, whatever you want to call them. I got some mandarin oranges. Y'all, these are on sale. Can you believe this big old bag was only $4.99? This is a 3-pound bag. I won't use it all for what I'm going to make with it, but we'll have it to eat. So I am going to do a fruit tray in the shape of a rainbow. How about that? Then we're going to make a dipping sauce. I've got some Greek yogurt. It's vanilla flavored Greek yogurt, and we're going to make a dipping sauce with that. Won't that be delicious? I think it will. So I was excited about that. And all of these fruits were on sale. The strawberries were 3 for $10. I only needed one, but I've got strawberries in my freezer, but I didn't think I would need those for my tray. And I needed some green food coloring. We're going to make a green velvet brownie. Yeah, I'm excited about that one. I've never made it before, but I needed green food coloring. And I wanted some Kerrygold butter. You got to have the Irish butter. And then we needed some of these chocolate morsels for those brownies. And because I was out of garlic powder, I bought these. I've got to make a trip to Sam's where I can get me a big carton of it. And it'll be a lot cheaper to buy it that way, y'all. And with these rolls, we're going to make some corned beef sliders. How does that sound? So I got some Swiss cheese, and these were buy one, get one free. It's Tillamook brand. And I was so excited to see them on sale. I got a jar of sauerkraut, and this corned beef. And the young man that helped me and sliced up my corned beef at the deli counter, he was so nice. And so Pop goes through, and he bought some, he didn't bring them in for me. We got some pork chops. He got some chicken wings, and we got some chicken breasts. Y'all, they were beautiful, and they were buy one, get one free. But he's already put them in the freezer, and I wasn't going to drag them out. But he's going to cook our chicken wings for us. And he wanted some little air fresheners for his truck. And he got some, he likes these little baby Brussels sprouts in the butter sauce. So we'll get these out there in the freezer for him. And let's see, what else do we have? These Chinette dinner plates. There's 32 10 and 3/8 inch dinner plates. They were buy one. I'm sorry, they were 2 for $12. So I got that for $6. I like to use these. We use them sometimes, and depending on what we're eating. And of course, Miss Patchy needed a treat. So we got her these hand-flaked tuna treats. Y'all, she likes these things. And let's see, what else do we have? I needed some bacon. So I like the thick sliced bacon. So I've got to get that in my fridge. And y'all know the cook has to have treats. So at night I'll have one of these. And depending on what I have, and this time I got Butterfingers, and I have one of those, and that's my treats at nighttime. I got some coffee. We like this community coffee. It was buy one, get one free, y'all. So, you come out, when you can find these BOGOs, buy one, get one free deals, you can come out of the grocery store and you can save so much money. And I'll probably put one of these in my freezer and put one in my canister. So this is what we have for our morning coffee. He drinks it in the afternoon and evening. I don't. And I think that's everything. I've showed y'all everything. And but I did. I just want to jump on real quick. It's a little short video and tell you what we're going to be making. And I'm excited for these videos. I'm going to try to get started tomorrow so I can get them out for you in time for St. Patrick's Day. But I hope you really enjoy them. Papa and I both have an Irish-Scottish ancestry, so we're excited about doing the St. Patty's recipes. We've done cold cannon before. Stephanie and I have done a Guinness beef stew, I think it was. We've done we've done so much. Was it a Guinness chocolate cake? Anyway, it's all been delicious. So, and I'll try to put those out for you too. But anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this little short video in this little grocery haul that we did today. And I hope you'll come back and visit with me again soon. Now, I've got to get these groceries put away, and I've got to get to cooking, y'all. Thanks for watching. And y'all, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget, hit that notification button so you'll know when we put out another video. Thanks again, everybody. I'll see you soon.